Today, Mike and me are going to have a barbecue in the bush.
It's been so long since we had barbecue. I'm so excited. It smells so good. Let's start eating.
Wow, it smells delicious. Making the dessert Hariwa barbecue and then the same too. I have an idea.
Hey, I hear a kitty. I'll go check it out. Oh, there's a toy here. I'll play with it for a while. This is so fun.
Pee-wee, nobody's home. How this food is man now? I'm so full.
William, what are you doing here?
But I was just passing by.
Where did my barbecue go? Did you eat it?
No, I didn't.
Then why is there ketchup on your face?
I'm sorry, it smelled so good. I couldn't help myself.
And was that you making the cat sounds earlier?
I know I was wrong. Next time I will my ice cream with it.
All right then, come join our barbecue now.
Lady.
Come on over and have some barbecue, Tilda.
This is tasty. Let's have another barbecue together next time.